I am here with another Lug Mystery Box, and this time it's the Spirit Edition. So Lug came out with two of these boxes for summer for the 250 years of America. And see right here, it says celebrating 250 years. And so they had the USA version and they had a Canada version. And this is the smallest box that I've seen. I have gotten almost all of the mystery boxes since they first began a few years back. And there's been just a couple that I've skipped on, but I was really excited about this one. I went online probably about 9 minutes after they went on sale and it said sold out. But then I went and started refreshing maybe about 5 minutes later and I was able to grab it. So I think this one was $119 US. And I'm excited to see what's inside. I do belong to the spoiler group for the Facebook, but I've been keeping myself off of it because I don't want to know what's in it yet. I do like to get a surprise, but then afterwards I like to see what people's reactions are to it. And I also want to see what's in the Canada one as well. So I'll be looking at that after I open this up, but this is going to be a complete surprise. I hope I'm happy with it. It looks like it's going to be very patriotic, so we shall see if this flag or the fireworks or anything is any indication of what's inside. So let's go ahead and get this open. So it looks like I only see this one sticker here, and I've already cut that open. So let's see if this is going to be a really good one or a mediocre one. So here's what's inside. It looks like the coupons are on the top. So for Luglife, you've got $25 off your next order of $100. And then it looks like for Luglife, you have the $25 off 75, $50 off of 100, and a free shipping code. And these look like they expire August 31st. You got a good amount of time to use those. And so here is what is inside. It looks like there's a small bag, a cup, and some little fillers. So the first thing is this service cup, All American. So it's got some stars on it. Let me just go ahead and open this up. And it says All American on the front, leg at the bottom. So this is the first thing, is this cup. And then it looks like there is a puller, the America 250. So it looks like a flag that you can put on any of those bags, make them more patriotic. So here you go. It's got the flag on one side, and then it says America 250 on the other side. And then there's your little clip. Then it looks like there's a strap that says America 250 on this one as well. And it's one of your 1.5 inch straps. And it's got a red trim and it says America 250 on it. And then there is a charm that says America 250 on this one as well. So you can see the charm. So that's really cute. And then it looks like this is the last thing. So this better be some kind of bag, because otherwise it is just fillers, you guys. So this is a Coupe XL. Looks like it's in matte luxe. And so let's look and see. So this is cute. It's got the flag. And then on the back, it's got some stars, America 250. So I have some of the Coupe XLs, and they're not my favorite. I like the Coupe better than the Coupe XL, but I love matte luxe. But on the front of this does not feel like matte luxe. The beige stripe, it looks like, it doesn't look white, is a matte luxe. But then the red, I don't know what that feels like. And then the blue and the stars is not the matte luxe, but the back is fully matte luxe. And then it looks like, let's see, your strap is going to be a red strap, and the strap has a charm bar on it. So you could put your 250 on it. And I was just looking to see if there was more than one strap. Sometimes, you know, you get more than one. Let me take all of the stuffing out of it. So here's your lining. The lining is the stars. And if you're not familiar with the Coupe XL, it does have two zipper openings. The first one is just completely open for you. The second one has the organization, place for bills, card slots, and then a zipper pocket in the back. Then it also says America 250 on the inside of this as well. So that's all the things in the box, you guys. And I'm looking at my counter, and it took me 4 minutes to open it up. So this again was the smallest box. It's probably had the least amount in it. I was really excited about this box. I was kind of disappointed when I had went first and saw that it was sold out. But now I kind of wish it had stayed sold out and I hadn't gotten it. I love all the Americana stuff, but I know they were selling this, you guys. And so I hope that a lot of people that bought the box didn't buy this in addition, because then that's going to be duplicated. And I'm trying to think, was this $69 that they were selling this for? And then the whole box was $119. So I'm not sure. I mean, obviously when you add it up and add in the coupons, you're getting, you know, $25 off at Luglife and stuff, but you're still having to buy things and spending money, more money than what your coupons are for. It's not like it's a gift card. So I don't know. I think this was so nicely curated as far as celebrating 250 years. You've got your flag on the Coupe XL, the strap, and the puller. But to be honest, you guys, to me, this wasn't worth $119. I'm sorry, guys. I usually give you my honest opinion on these, and I have been super excited about a lot of these boxes. This one was underwhelming to me. I mean, that's just what I think. If you guys got this box and you love it and you're so excited about it, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. If you got this box and you were kind of like me, a little bit underwhelmed about it, let me know that as well. I love hearing from you guys. If you got the box, let me know what your thoughts were. My thoughts are it's a little underwhelming. I mean, I love matte luxe. I love anything in matte luxe. But I'm not going to be carrying this around all year long. I feel like this will be more for like Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, and then I probably won't carry it anymore. So I don't know. I mean, I knew that this was going to be something American themed, something celebrating 250 years. I knew that, but I don't know. I shouldn't have expected more. Like I said, this was $119, and I bought some boxes that were $159, some that were $99. So it's kind of average with some of those where you don't expect too much from it. I mean, this was definitely better than the very first holiday box, because the very first holiday box didn't even have a bag in it. It had like little small wallet, a blanket, and fillers. And there's a lot of fillers in this. And then you got a cup and you got this bag. So let me know, guys, what you thought. If you got this, were you happy with it? I mean, there's nothing in here I don't like, but I don't know. I guess I was a little underwhelmed about it all. But I shouldn't be, because I mean, it's curated good. It's got everything America 250, so shouldn't be too unhappy with it. I love the Tervis cups. I use them all the time. So, I mean, that's going to be used a lot. Let me know what you guys thought. I do love that this is the red strap on this, and I can use this with some other bags that I have. So let me know what you guys thought about this Spirit Edition USA. So now I'm going to go and see what was in Canada and see what all they had in their boxes as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button, because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, and I do a lot of lug reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.